my hands on Arjun, I'm going to beat him to death. Boss blamed me for his escape. That idiot would last 10 minutes alone in the wild. Probably already dead.
Something better happen soon.
I didn't think that Arjun had it in him. You always pulling off an escape like that.
Always. You know me, brother.
That sound is
I'm a
driving
hater,
me crazy.
Not a lover.
Didn't think Arjun had it in him. Pulling off an escape like that? Arjun! I'll find you! Killer!
Man, you got to hold on, found him!
I found you!